Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja. So in today's video we have a question where we are given 1 by a plus 1 by b is equal to 2. That means we are given one equation and they are asking us to find two variables. They are asking us to find 27 raised to power a is equal to 3 raised to power b is equal to something we don't know. Okay. So if we say let 27 raised to power equal to 3 raised to power b, since these are equal, and we say this is equal to k, right? Or we can say that 27 raised to power a is k and 3 raised to power b is equal to k. Now we have two equations, right? Now whenever we have something like this, we should always think that what is given to us. We are given 1 by a plus 1 by b, but here we have exponent a, not 1 by a. Can we somehow make it 1 by a? Yes. How? If I will write both equation here. 27 raised to power a is equal to k, and second equation is 3 raised to power b is equal to k. Okay. In first equation, I will take power 1 by a on both sides. Okay. So what will I write? I will write 27 raised to power a raised to power 1 by a and k raised to power 1 by a, right? So since we know that power and power to power get multiply and then they will cancel out, because a times 1 by a will become 1. So we are left with 27 on left hand side and right hand side is k raised to power 1 by a. Okay. Now similarly here in this equation 3 raised to power b is equal to k. If I take power b on both sides, 1 by b on both sides, bth root, right? What will happen? They will get multiplied and cancel out, right? And we are left with only 3 here. 3 is equal to k raised to power 1 by b. Okay. Now we need to use whatever is given. We are given 1 by a plus 1 by b. How can we add them? So suppose I say this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Suppose I say multiply equation 1 and 2. Now the question is, why am I multiplying? Because I know when I will multiply that, these are exponents. When I multiply that, so it will become left hand side will get multiplied, right? Right hand side will also get multiplied, and I could see that base is same, so power will add, right? There is a rule that a raised to power m multiply a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Okay, so this is 27 times 3 is 81, k raised to power 1 by a plus 1 by b, right? Okay, now we are given that 1 by a plus 1 by b is what? 2. So I will write 81 is equal to, I will substitute the value of this thing and I will get 2 here, right? Okay, that means k is equal to what? If we take square root both sides, we will get plus minus 9. Now k is 9 and minus 9. Now you need to tell me that can k be minus 9? No, k cannot be equal to minus 9. Why? Because if you see here, what is k? If you see this equation only, k is equal to 3 raised to power b. Can you get, if the exponent is real and base is real, you can never get negative answer by any exponent. Whatever exponent you take here, you can never get negative answer. Okay. So k cannot be negative. K will be equal to plus 9. K will be equal to positive. So what is our answer? Our answer is k is 9. So I hope you understood this. If you get it, do subscribe to my channel and visit my channel for more such videos. And you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook for maths riddles. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.